Alright, so here's the brake controller, and that's what's going to be connected like when it's inside my truck. So what I did to get this male connector, I called it female in my last video, it's the male side, was you take out the pins that are inside. There's 4. Just 1 sec, I'll show you. Pull those out or push them out, either way. Then you can crimp these onto the pins. Now mine, I had 2 that weren't staying in, so I just made this a little more permanent. I just applied some epoxy. I want to say it was like it only took like 5 minutes for it to set, so it held itself after that. I applied a little bit more because I want it to be a little bit more permanent. I don't plan on taking this out of my truck again unless there's some kind of problem with it. And here's the female connection, and it just plugs right in. And I'm going to run these wires into my truck. You just have to make sure, like, okay, the grounds are the blacks in the middle. Black one, I forget what that goes to in my truck. The red one goes to a yellow wire in my truck. Red one. So red's going to yellow. Let's see. Yellow is going to, I believe it's like a gray. And the blue is going to a blue in my truck. It's a 94 Chevy Cheyenne. Or Cayenne, whatever. So yeah, I just have to hook these up. 3 of these I can use heat shrink on, because the wire's exposed just like these. The red one is attaching to the yellow. The yellow is actually it's not like these. It's basically hooked. Both sides are hooked somewhere, and it's like spliced in the middle, or with the wire exposed in the middle, so that you can. Those clips that I showed earlier could be attached. I could do it that way, but I'm not a fan of those clips. Because I have those holding the load capacitors in the Corvette, and they tend to move around some. Well, it all depends on the wire and how tight it is on it, but they moved around a little. They haven't moved since I fixed them last time, or since I adjusted it last time, and that was months ago. So I might just do it that way, just to make it easier on myself. It would only be this one wire. So I'll post another video, or I'll add to this one once I have this hooked up. And I'll show you guys that it works. And thanks for watching.